Everyone treats AI like one assistant that's doing everything at once, which is why it feels like it's always a little bit behind. So instead, I split the work. I gave Claude multiple sub-agents to carry out a process and I watched what it did for a week. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact setup and exactly what each agent did without me touching it. And at the end, I'm going to give you a recipe to make your own series of agents that can do anything you want it to do, no matter how complicated it is. So let's get into it. Now, step one is where it either works or falls apart, and this is where you define the roles. Now, in my case, I'm looking to automate a process that works exceptionally well for us when done manually, and that is email promotions. We send out multiple emails recommending other products which get us paid affiliate commissions, which is fantastic because besides sending those emails, we typically don't have to do a lot of work for that. There's zero fulfillment requirement. So email promotion by itself is a complicated setup. There's a lot of different things that need to be done to accomplish the end result, which is send out emails and make money. So we start in step one by listing out all the sub processes that are required to complete this entire process. So researching the product we're going to recommend, thinking about how we're going to position it in reference to what already sells for us. Then bonus selection. What can we add in terms of value to these products so that our customers are able to make their choice without wondering if they're missing out on something. Then we need to actually write the emails. And then we need to clean up the emails to make sure that they're inbox, because if the emails have spammy words, they're not going to inbox very well. Finally, we work on scheduling those emails via our autoresponder. And once the emails are scheduled and they have gone out, then we look at how the emails actually performed and what was the result like. Was the result actually good based on our expectations? So as you can see, this is typically a multi-step process. And if you were to simply ask Claude to write and schedule an email, you'd end up confusing it. You'd end up making mistakes along the way because Claude needs to think about this in a modular way. So this is what we do. Now, let's switch over to Claude and I'm going to show you exactly how we build out these agents so they work mostly one after each other, or in some cases in parallel as well. So in step two, I'm going to show you a previous campaign that we have ran. I want to walk you through all the files that are included in this. To begin with, there is the claude.md file, which basically defines the purpose of this entire setup. Now, claude.md files has an overarching view on exactly how everything would go. If you think about these sub-agents as different people performing different things, this ClaudeMD file is the orchestrator or the manager of the entire process. And then we typically also have a memory file which has an information about all the things that have been done in this program since the very beginning. Then we've got very specific files that basically do specific things. So we've got a spam words file that can be checked against to make sure the emails don't have spam words. We've got actual agents that do the checking of the campaign. We've got agents that report back on how a particular campaign went. We've got agents that actually build an email campaign so it could then be put into the autoresponder. In any case, what you end up doing is you end up creating multiple agents that Claude can use. Now, if you are wondering how to do this yourself, as I mentioned, I will cover this for you at the end of this video, but do make sure to join our AI Revenue Engine community, the link for which is underneath this video, where we share more things like these and sometimes entire skill sets for you as well to use. Now, once you set up this entire thing properly, it can run on autopilot, but what I still do every 2 or 3 days, and I come in and explain what I want to promote, and this looks something like this. So right here, I can just brain dump a little bit of text and I explain that this is what we wish to promote. This is the link that should be embedded inside the emails, and I explain what we want and don't want to do. If I have any thoughts on the positioning, I can mention those. I talk about the bundle coupon that we're going to be using, and I'm going to show you the process that Claude undergoes. So Claude starts by researching, as I mentioned, so that's the first agent that it runs through, and then it looks at previous projects to realize how things were actually created. It selects 8 bonuses. This is again based on my requirement. It writes the 4 emails, then it spam checks all of them against the spammy words that we want to avoid, and then it builds and runs the scheduler script, which actually publishes the emails on my autoresponder. Now, as a bonus step, I've also asked it to take the bonuses that it has picked and put them into a Google Sheet that I can just give to the customers who purchase that product based on my request, based on my recommendation. And finally, when everything is scheduled, it sends me a message via WhatsApp to let me know that everything is in place. And for memory, all the campaigns that are previously done are here so that whenever in the future it needs to look at what campaign worked, what didn't work, what we need to follow, it can quickly refer back to them. As you can see, it's doing everything step by step and reading everything as it goes along. And if it ever gets stuck, I can just go in and push it along as well. And this is something I do every 2 to 3 days to make sure that all my campaigns are automatically populated in my autoresponder. So altogether, over the last 7 days or so, we've done over $1,300 in commissions, which isn't great, but remember, this is something that took me about 10 minutes to set up in that week alone. And over the last 10 years or so, we have done about $1.4 million in take-home affiliate commissions, which is now fully automated thanks to these sub-agents that we have set up. Now, as I promised, I'm going to explain to you how to make these agents or sub-agents, whatever you want to call it, for yourself within Claude. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to explain the entire process to Claude from start to finish. So it comes down to you recording a screen sharing video like this one and simply explaining what you are trying to do. So start with, here's what I want to do, here's the intended outcome, and this is every single thing I do along the way. Then you need to transcribe that video and feed the transcription into Claude. Then you head back into Claude and copy and paste this prompt. I'm attaching a transcript of a process that I run in my business every single day. I want you to help me create a series of agents or skills that can accomplish this process without my active involvement. Make sure to have an orchestrator agent or skill that handles everything from start to finish and reports back on the results. Now, you could do this in the simple Claude interface, or if you want, you could also run this in Cowork. You can also choose to run this inside Claude Code, but to be honest, you don't really have to. Now, alongside this, you're going to paste the transcript that you have previously created. What then happens is that Claude reviews everything from start to finish, and it starts to break down exactly how it will build out these multiple agents for you, how they will operate. And then all you have to do is review the work, offer any changes if you need to, otherwise accept it, and Claude can now build out the entire skill set system for you, which can now start to run whenever you need it to. In some cases, if you want to use advanced things such as MCP connections, you can organize those as well via your Claude account, and you're able to utilize those as well. So now you are better placed to turn any process in your business into repeatable skills that you can execute using Claude whenever you want. In the next video, I share how I clone a 10-person growth advisory board that guides me whenever I get stuck.